Hey everyone, welcome back to Richword's channel. Today let me introduce you to the 800m embroidery thread, a lightweight, colorful favorite that many embroidery lovers can't get enough of. Don't lie, it's sized for you. 800 meters is actually enough for many everyday embroidery projects. We've put together several color sets from basic shade to trendy ones to meet the needs of stitchers at every level. First up is our classic 800m 40 color set. It includes all the basic colors you use most, like black, white, red, and blue. Everything you need in one pack. This set is perfect for beginners or small everyday projects. Plenty of colors without too much waste. Next is the 60 color set, which adds some transition shades on top of the basics. Colors like light pink, soft green, and sky blue here make your designs more detailed and subtle. This set is great for those with some embroidery experience who want to try multi-color designs and finer details. Last up is our 80 color set, which covers a full range of shades, bright, soft, and dark tones all included. It's perfect for anyone who often switches up their design style or works on lots of different projects. Super practical, super easy, a set that really have you covered. Whether it's 800m or 4000m spools, we use the same specs. 40 weight, 108 standard-2, one of the most common polyester embroidery thread standards. You can find this info labeled right on the spool. 40 weight threads works great for almost all regular embroidery projects like t-shirt designs, caps, hoodies, patches, and more. It gives you clean, smooth, and consistent results. As you can see, the 800m threads run smoothly on both single needle and multi-needle machines, delivering instant, reliable results. Even at high speed, it holds up great. It passed our strength test with no problem. We include a color chart in the box to help you find colors quickly. It's super easy to match and pick the exact color number you need. Our thread numbers match up exactly with the brush colors in the InStitch software. So what you design is what you will get in your actual embroidery. You might be wondering, should you go with the 800m or the 4000m spool? They both have their own advantages, and it really depends on how you plan to use them. If you are using a single needle home machine, the smaller spools are a great fit. The amount is just right, the budget friendly, and it makes it easy to try out more colors. Also, if you often take your machine on the go, like doing pop-up booths, visiting clients, or joining embroidery events, small spools are much easier to carry than large ones. You can pack more colors without taking up with space. And it's super convenient to switch designs on the spot. But if you are using a multi-needle machine or doing high-value runs of the same designs, the bigger spools are a better choice, especially for basic colors like black, white, and gray. For everyday projects, a lot of users like to use both big and small spools. The big ones for colors they use often, and the small ones for the less common shades. It's a smart way to save space and cut down on waste. After watching all this, which set do you like best? If you enjoyed the video, please give us a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below with what you want to see next time, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!